Hello, welcome back to the class. I'm your one and only Abraham, and we're going to continue our 65 productivity Microsoft Excel functions. Today, we are going to be looking at the max function. The max function is also an array function, just like the previous ones that we have seen. And of course, the max function in Excel is used to find the largest maximum value. And of course, it has to be a numeric value in a given set of numbers, cell reference, or range. So what we're trying to do is to find the maximum number within a range of value. The key features here is that it returns largest value. That means it finds the largest or the highest value. It handles range, it handles ranges, individual values. It can work with cell reference, it can work with single, you can pick single values. Then, of course, it ignores non-numeric values. It skips text, blank, and all those stuff. And some of the things that you need to note is that if all values in the range are non-numeric or blank, the function will return a zero. Okay, so you can use the max a function if you want to handle logical values such as true value as 1 and false value as 0. So the max function is useful for identifying the highest value in a data set. So now let's go into the Excel and see how this is done. So now we have the Excel workbook. We have some values here. We want to find the highest sales here. Okay, so we'll just simply go with equals max, and we'll pick our range, close our bracket and hit the enter key. So this is the largest value, and then we want to find what is the highest value here. So we're going to have equals max also here, and we are going to run with that. And so the highest value is here, and we are going to find what is the largest value here. And of course, the largest value here is this. So you can see that the max function is showing us the largest value in all the three. And you can also use the max function like every other one. So what we mean is that you can find the max of this, and maybe you want to add it with the max of this. Okay, so that what it means is that you can do the calculation straight rather than getting the max. So you have the max of all the three, and you have added all the maxes together. So I don't know which type of calculation, but if you have anything that looks like this, so you can think about what kind of task it is that will require this, and this is the trick around it. So the beautiful thing is that you can also use the max to pick values. All right, so you can pick values. You can say the max of this value minus the max of this value, and close the bracket, and then it gives you your answer. So it's an array function. So what it means is that you have liberty to pick non-contiguous value. You can pick a single value. You can pick as a range, and of course you can add max of values together. You can even say equals max, just like the others do. You can always say you get your max and you multiply maybe by 2, something like that. So you are free to use your formula and your arithmetic operators together. So that's one of the things that really makes these functions very interesting. So we are going to stop here. We have seen the max function. We have seen how we can use it to find the maximum value in a range of data. And we can also use it to add maximum values together if we are trying to pick maximum value across ranges. So we can see that the max function is a very useful function for finding what is my highest sales, what is my highest value of highest depth, or highest numeric value. Okay, so that's where we are going to stop. I want to encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, okay? And click the notification button. It's very important so that you can always catch up with the new videos as they are dropped. See you in another session, and bye for now.